Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. Hey guys. Follow me on socials if you want to see the content because you know I don't post on here as much as I should. But this is what we're doing today, the design on those. So as you can see, I got all my polishes on the side, ready and waiting to go. All these polishes are from Beetles. I be ordering their little kits. So it'll be like 30 polishes, but they're all small mini bottles. But since I don't do a lot of gel polish sets, they last me a while. But yeah, I think I accidentally went in with top coat. I meant to go in with base coat. So when I'm doing nail designs on with full gel polish, I like to use base coat. I really do. It helps me. I don't know. It just I'm trying to put this into words, but it helps me. Like the polish is just really smooth. It's like writing. It's like writing when I use base coat. So yeah, the base coat is also from Beetles. It's actually the one from the kit. So yeah, so we gonna finish up all 10 nails, of course. I'm gonna let you guys know that this is a video that was requested by somebody on Instagram. I'm gonna put their request on the screen. There it is. Exactly that. So yeah, this was a fill-in, so that's why I didn't record the whole nail process. These nails were the original set was from another set that's already posted. So if you want to see the whole application, you can look at that video. Okay, so we're using some white. The liner brushes are from Savvyland. I'm so sorry. Bless me. So we did a whole yellow nail. Now we're doing a white French. So we can do our, what do you call that thing? Our checkerboard. So I start with white first. And y'all, please forgive me. Some of this stuff is going to be like literally on the edge because I'm not super aware of my what do you call it? I'm not super aware of my camera angles. Not angles, but my camera area. So I be all out of the frame a little bit sometimes. So we're going to perfect that. Cool. Put it in. All right. Let's do this French. Let's go ahead and knock it out. Frenches are typically not necessarily the hardest, but they take the longest. Like it requires more concentration. So I like to go ahead and knock them out. If we're doing them, let's go ahead and knock them out for sure. Oh my God, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna have to make some press-ons today. I forgot that I was supposed to send out my friend's nails for her birthday. Okay, we're gonna send those out Monday morning. For sure, Monday morning. I might have to pay more to get them there faster. Which is fine because she already paid for the shipping. Okay. We got this. So we're doing a second coat of the yellow. Yes, we are. I don't know what we're talking about. I'm probably trying to figure out what's next. Oh, black, because we got to do the eyes. Oh, we got to do the checkerboard. I started from the bottom on the lower level and only made one black checkerboard, and then I kind of just started making them line up in a sense. You see? Once you do that first one, you just make them line up and just go from there. And I try to do the same thing, but here's the kicker. One of these nails is smaller than the other. So it kind of threw me for a loop a little bit. Oh, look at me putting another one down there. I was not supposed to do that. But then again, I had to because if the design is going to be this, then this is what the design has to be. And I have to do it the way the design is. Then I have to make sure everything lines up in my if I could see it, I need it for it to line up. I also keep alcohol on deck. I like to clean up with alcohol. I don't like to clean up with what do you call it? Polish remover. I don't like to clean up with that. It's so much easier to clean up with alcohol because it's not gonna ruin my polish on my acrylic or anything like that. It's just gonna remove the things I don't need. Okay, cool. It's looking cute. Kind of just take your time. And technically you're outlining every square. You see that? Cute. You just keep going up. You have to literally make it make sense. Like it should make sense. Okay, cool. Clean up anything that needs to be cleaned up. You see how I mean? It's so much easier to clean up with alcohol. Okay, cute. Now we have to finish the other one. I don't even think I did the second coat of yellow over there. You see this finger is just a tad bit different. Like my squares are different over here. Completely different. Okay. Line it up. Get it right. Get it tight. Okay. And it's corner to corner. So like as I'm going up, the corners should be touching. Like the black corner should be touching. Since we already have our white down, like there's nothing else for us to do. You can clean up. That's what I did. That's what I was doing here. I'm cleaning up the white. If my squares are not perfect, I can go in with the white on a liner brush and just clean them up. Okay, cute. Real cute. Okay. I still don't think I did the second layer of yellow on the other end. And I kept in everything so you guys can see. So boom, we put the X's on there. Cute. And we're doing a trippy type of smile. So yeah, we're gonna fix that. Cool. Now I'm finally doing the second coat. Jesus Christ. All that time spent. That's how you know my mind just be going. It's the ADHD. Like I cannot quite focus the way I need to. So yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, sorry if that was loud. I apologize. I'm sneezing, clearing my throat. Y'all, it's early in the morning. I'm trying to make sure I get this out before 1 p.m. I just woke up, so now we're finna do the layered design. So it's gonna be one color, then another color, then another color, then another color. This whole design took me about an hour. Yeah, so the design itself took an hour. Okay, so here we go. Now I did use different like base designs. So as you can see that what do you call it? That pink is going in different shapes on each finger, and that's just solely so they don't all look the same. So when I'm doing my X's, I like to do one line first, then the other line first, just to make sure that they're lined up the way I need them to. And then so when I X them, they are synonymous to each other. Like they're not too different. So yeah, here we go. Trippy smile. A trippy smile to me is just like a curvy smile line. So yeah. All right, now we're going to start with our pink. Anything groovy. That's what this set gives me. It gives me groovy. So yeah. This was groovy before 3D arts came in. Now we're going to do a red, also from a nail kit that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to link both of them because I still use both of them. So you guys can get a look. So the next color, we're just doing a thick line. Yeah, that's what we do. So for all the colors, we're just going to do a thick line in between each finger. I mean, not in between each finger, but on the next, like the next color is going to be that. And then we got to put the tongues on there, of course. And then we got to outline the tongues in black just to give it some definition. And put like a black line on it. So yeah. Next color is orange. Orange. Yellow. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and put all the colors. Green, blue, and purple. I like that blue. It's cute. I'm sorry, y'all. My nose is running. And I did use like pastels. As you can see, I didn't use any like neons. Except the pink. Yeah, the pink is like a neon. But yeah. Alright, orange. I kind of felt like I should have done 2 coats of this orange, but I didn't. Only because it was a little translucent, which is why I am using a thicker like line just so it'll show up. Like it's a lot of product on my brush as I'm placing this down. As you can see, I'm almost out of it. And I still got another finger to do. Need some more orange, see? So that's why I ran out. So yeah. All right. Thick line. Just so it'll show up. Like, I need for it to be vibrant. I need for it to show up. All right. Yellow. Cute. I don't know. I low-key think this is a different yellow than the yellow that's on the finger. But it might be the same. Then again, it might be different. All right. I really like the nails. I really like these nails. They're cute. Okay. See, this is what I mean by we're out of frame. My bad, guys. My bad. But you guys know what we're doing. So yellow. And after every color, they're going inside the lamp so that they can at least flash cure before I put the next set in there. I mean, the next color. But honestly, I feel like they're getting no, they're not getting a full cure. But they're getting a flash cure so that the color doesn't move as I'm going. As you can see, I'm picking up a little bit of speed. And this is fast forwarded. Double time. Okay, cool. This is cute. I'm loving it. All right, so we got 2 more colors. That green looks a little milky, like translucent. I'm loving it, guys. It looks so good. All right, blue. As you can see, we are almost done with that finger. Like, it's fully covered in polish, which is cute. All right, blue line. Cute. So, this doesn't take a lot of focus. The hardest nail is, of course, the checkerboard. All right, blue. Cute. It's getting rainbow. She loves rainbow nails, actually, so it makes sense as to why this was our set. It was a set that I had screenshotted and I showed her. And I'm trying to figure out how that red got on the table. All right, it's the last color, and then we're going to top coat it, of course. Purple. Okay, if you guys made it this far, leave me a rainbow in the comments. Leave me a rainbow in the comments if you made it this far. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I love it here. I really do. So I need to keep coming back. I need to be more consistent. I need to get on my grind. I bought this book or whatever. It's called The Artist's Way. So hopefully it's able to encourage me to be a better artist in terms of showing you guys. Because my art is, of course, doing nails, but it's also showing you guys the nails and teaching you guys. That's also part of my art. Like, I feel like teaching is a part of art for me. So And of course, if you guys need any help with anything, any tips, anything, DM me on Instagram. I'm always willing to help. Always. The top coat is Beatles, of course. It's Beatles, y'all. It came in a kit. So yeah, I'm always willing to help. We can talk about anything. Just DM me. I do respond. I'm not bougie or anything like that. So hit me up. Hit me up. Top coat, top coat, top coat. Make sure you swipe the sides. I don't know what I'm doing there. Oh, I'm top coating the bottom portions. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. And of course, I'm going to show you guys the finished product. So once again, thank you for tuning in. This is only design, but the design is so pretty. It is. It needed its own video anyways. So yeah. Shout out to you for requesting this video. I really appreciate it, for encouraging me to get in the booth. Okay? Technically. So yeah. And these came out fire, of course. So once again, like I said, thank you. I hope you guys have a great weekend, a safe weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed your Memorial Day. So, see, I was trying to figure out, where did that red come from? How did you get that red on that nail? I'm happy you got that red on that nail after everything was already dry. I'm happy about that. But Jesus Christ, be careful. And that was alcohol wipe that I used to get off of her. Cool. Cute. Top coat. I might do one of those on my fingers. Yeah. That'd be cute. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing right here. It looks like I'm wasting time. Am I wasting time? I'm wasting, how do you say, memory. I'm wasting memory right there. Golly. Oh, dang, I'm stuffy. I don't know what's going on. All right, clean that up. Cool. And clean up all that polish off of the top of that. I almost got it. You're going to need some alcohol. You need alcohol, baby. He needs some milk. Look at me. I done pulled out another one, not knowing that's not what I need. I need alcohol. Use the alcohol wipe right there, and it's going to come all off. There you go. Okay, we're cleaning up. Everything's good. I'm going to show you guys the finished product, and I'm out of here. Out of here.